When it rains, it pours. You know, sometimes things like this happen in our lives, and you know what? It is what it is. You just got to get past it. So, we've done a ton of work on Brandon's truck, and we did some work on Ben's truck. We're putting a new rear end in it, a new gear ratio. He wanted a new gear ratio. And I have a whole bunch of that video ready to start editing and making a really cool video for you guys. And sometimes things just jump up and bite you. And you know, that's all right. That's life. But here, you see something that happened this morning. And it made a little bit of an impact on the video. See, on Tuesday nights, I go through and I do all my editing for the next day. Because I haven't had enough videos produced, I haven't had enough footage built up so that I can have videos way ahead like some of the channels do. And I'm working on that. But I produce my Wednesday video on Tuesday night, and I produce my Sunday video on Saturday night. And so it is about 5 o'clock in the afternoon on Tuesday, and I don't have the time to go through and put something together. I don't have the time to edit an entire week's worth of work and make a video out of it. And so I'm here begging your forgiveness, because this morning my son was in a car accident. That's the picture I showed. He was in an automobile accident. He's perfectly fine, everything's good. But what it does is it puts a wrench into everything. So after work, I have to grab my truck and trailer, I have to go over and pick up the car, I have to bring it back over here. We need to find a rental car or borrow a car from someone to get him back on the road so he can make it to work. He has a brand new job. He loves the job, but you know, you got to do what you got to do. So, because I'm sort of always behind the 8 ball and haven't had the time or haven't made the time to get enough videos built up in advance that something like this wouldn't impact me, it severely impacts me. So, I hope you guys will be understanding with me. I apologize. We will have a great video. I think it's going to be a great video because it'll actually be a burnout video. We will be doing burnouts in this truck and in that truck. So we will do a couple of small burnouts in Brandon's truck and in Ben's truck, just as a teaser. We have a massive burnout video coming for you guys here soon. But in the meantime, I apologize. Please bear with me. I'll give you a couple little snippets of stuff we have coming up. I apologize. Sunday's video will have Brandon's truck. It'll have a little bit of Ben's truck. It'll have some burnouts. It'll have some fun. That being said, check out a couple of the things that we did do this past week, and we'll give you the full-blown version next week.
Okay, so here is our adjustable shifty thingy, or shift lever.
You know, it's like Detroit and the Japanese market just trying to do anything they can to make your life miserable.
Inside the truck it feels great. The shift pattern is actually really close. Close enough to where I don't think we even need to adjust it at all. So now, actually I'm pretty much about done for the day. It's getting kind of late.
Hey, we got it maintained.
What up everybody? Odd Rod Garage here. And more stuff today on Brandon's truck. His driveline's in now. Yay, driveline. Wait for it. You know, just for fun, let's crisscross applesauce his bed and see how bad it is. The front's where we want it. But just for kicks, let's see. Let's do, okay, 103. That's it. 103 it was. 102 and a half. So that means it is at natural state. It's a ½ inch out per square. ½ inch isn't actually too bad.
All right, that's just a little bit about what we have coming up. So thanks for coming, watching what we do. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. Hit the bell notification so you're notified when we upload our videos. Also, refer us over to a friend. Share the link. You know, tell them about what we're doing. We think they'll have a good time. And send us a comment. Let us know what you guys think of what we're doing and how we can improve it or how great we are. Anyway, we appreciate you coming by. Remember, in about 3 or 4 weeks, we'll have a new channel out also. So that'll be really enjoyable. I think it'll be a lot of fun. As always, thanks for watching.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon. 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 When it rains, it pours. Water's up to my chin. Won't stop fighting to the very end. Many men try to reach it. Many men have fell. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell. And I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Will you find me? Hope you find